guys, welcome back to our channel. So 6 years ago I made my very first gift basket and the demand for them quickly grew, and this is exactly how to make a gift basket. I thought this would be helpful, especially with Mother's Day coming up. You can literally learn how to make a gift basket in 10 to 15 minutes, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home.
Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true. I wanna be free, I gotta find a way to believe.
So the most popular gift baskets that I receive are sympathy baskets. But I also do a lot for Mother's Day and Christmas as well. So those are the three types of baskets that I do. They are generally all made similarly, the same. Does that make sense? Pretty much the same, but I do theme them with like different types of bows, basket bottoms, and what I kind of fill them with. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mother's Day gift basket. This is perfect because Mother's Day is only 2 weeks away, but you can definitely make them from home, maybe even start a little side hustle with them right before. You know, social media is a great way to advertise your business. It's generally free, and you can definitely generate business off of social media, so I highly recommend doing that. As you've seen on our channel, Ray and I try a lot of small businesses so that you guys don't have to. If you are looking for any marketing or need help marketing, we can help you with that. So the link will be just in the description below of where you can email for all your marketing needs. So a quick way to make money on baskets, and this is just something that you should keep in mind when you are putting items in the basket. So if you are putting in $50 worth of items in the basket, you should be charging $100 to your customers. You have to keep in mind the materials, the labor, if you're delivering the basket, all those things tie together, and you want to make sure you're actually making profit on the basket instead of just making the basket and giving it out for free. So it's really important to have all the materials you need for your basket right in the area that you're making your basket, just to make it easier to assemble it. So what you're going to need is a shrink bag. So this one looks like this. You're going to need obviously the contents for your basket, the basket bottom. You're going to need a bow, an elastic, a pair of scissors, and a heat gun or hair dryer. So as you can see, I have all the gift basket materials here that I'll be using. This will be the bottom that I am using here. It's just a little platter. I also am adding some little chocolates just to fill in the empty spaces that there will be in the basket. Firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to put the basket bottom or base, whatever you're choosing to use on the bottom, into a shrink bag like this. You're just going to roll the bag down on the side so it's easier for you to work. Okay, so now we're going to start by putting in all our items into the basket. I usually start with
customers asking for a discount. Oh.
I was filming it.
Oh, hi.
I'm going to start all over.
I'm not part of this video today. Hi. Wow, man, Felicia keeps this camera low. Why are you so low? I'm just saying hi. She's trying to edit this video herself. You're doing a great job for your first solo video, which I'm also in. So yeah, keep it up.
So I always start with the biggest item, and I use it as like a post in the middle. This one is a little bit more tailored to the recipient's I guess their preferences on what they like. So they love popcorn, so that is going in the center. We're going to be then putting in box of biscottis, which will be at the back. So I try to keep the back stable as well so that everything just kind of flows together. There's going to be a pack of pasta, which will go to the front. And then I am including a 4-bean salad, which I am going to put at the back, just to kind of take up some more room, to be honest. We have some lemon juice, which I'm going to put at the side here. I am going to put some figs and syrup on the front, and then some pasta seasoning on the side, and then baklava is going to go right at the front here. So I just kind of maneuver it so that it looks more, you know, even on each side. So the next thing I am going to do is I am going to be adding in a lot of fruit to this basket. That was just something that was requested for this specific basket. So what I'm going to do is kind of just layer it around. I always make sure that the main items, all their labels are facing outward so that when the recipient gets the basket, they can actually see the items before opening it. So I'm just going to make sure everything is turned properly, and then I'm going to just start placing fruit along the basket. So I have a mango here. I'm going to try and squeeze that in. And of course, you're going to have to obviously maneuver things around as you go, so it might not be perfect at first, but if you just kind of take your time and move things around accordingly, it'll turn out honestly great. You just gotta take your time and make sure that you are, you know, placing objects in the right spot. I try to separate the colors of fruit as well. I try not to have, you know, too many greens in one spot, too many reds. You just want it to be, you know, scattered around. There's already a pear there, so I'll put an orange here, a pear back here, and then I'm going to add 2 bananas as well. Just around like that. So now that I have it assembled, I am going to tie it together, which is why I had the elastic. I just kind of cut that in half, and I'm going to bunch everything up at the top like this. So I tied it there and it's all secured. So now I'm going to start by sealing the basket. So I start by drying it from about this, like, I want to say the top all the way down, and I kind of just go in like strides. So this is what it looks like with it shrunken. Make sure that you look underneath though. There might be some loose baggage, so you want to make sure that you are taking your heat gun and making sure that's sealed at the bottom. So lastly, we are going to attach the bow. Just make sure that it's kind of, you know, fluffed up a bit. You want to also include a card, which we usually put one on the front and then your label on the back for your business. So I am done the basket, and here's the finished product.
Hey!
We do make a ton of them. Once you get the hang of making them, you will be very fast at them, and yeah, you'll just get better over time.
Incorporate all your costs and your labor.
Yes, and don't forget to put a label on the back with your business name, your contact info, and use social media. Again, if you need help marketing, Ray has a marketing business, which we'll link below. He's very good at what he does.
Thank you.
And yeah, you should use him for your marketing. Even if you're not doing gift baskets, if it's another business, it would be very helpful.
Appreciate you.
Yes. That's why I'm wife.
Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true.